All right. Good morning, people. Good morning, good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening to some of you guys as well. Happy Wednesday. Big day today. Big day today. We got a lot going on in the markets today. Why is this not working? Where's Zoom? Invite, copy link. Cool. Good morning. Oh, good morning, everyone. What's going on? Welcome back. Welcome back. Let's send in the Zoom link. All right, cool. The link is sent. What time is it? 10 to 7. 10 to 7 in the morning. 10 to 7 London time, 4:50 Brisbane time. I'm looking forward to the clock changes, actually. The clock changes in Europe in end of the last Sunday of March, the clocks change. So we'll be jumping on an hour earlier. They don't change here in Queensland, but they change everywhere else. So we'll be jumping on London an hour earlier, which will be nice. Alright, let me play this. Where are we? Cool. YouTube fam, drop a little like for the stream. I'm going to get the Zoom guys in here. We'll start breaking down the charts, see what we got going on today. Let me let the Zoom guys in here. Alright. Good morning, Zoom guys. What's going on? Welcome back. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back. Yo. What up? Alright, let's have a look here. Is easy. Yeah, it is easy to do, man. Yeah, you just have to get because it's like send me a message on Instagram and it'd be easier for me to explain it. You get like a code from your bank because they use different codes in America, but you just have to ask your bank for a different code. Morning. Oh, good morning, Nick. Good morning, everyone. Yo. What's up? Alright, let me just have a quick look at the news here. I know we got a big day today. Big day today. Let me move this here. There we go. So, I actually got some pound news coming. Let's watch a little bit of pound actually. Watch this pound news come out. You got pound CPI coming out in like 6 minutes. You got today. You got the Fed fund rate, FOMC, not until 6 p.m. So big day for the US dollar today. Big day. I think gold will rise. Yeah, I think you're gonna see gold push high today. Good evening. What's going on, Brian? Welcome back, man. You have this pound news in about 6 minutes here. How's the pound looking overall? Ooh, looking, wicking out some decent lows on the pound. You may see pound push higher. Nice levels. We'll let everyone join in, and then we'll start breaking gold down. So doing a little bit of top down, not very much to. Asia hasn't really done anything as I expected, other than continued to bounce for like the 100th time of this trend line. Where are we?
Thank you very much.
Yeah, where is it? There. Huge. Look at this. The amount of times we bounced this trend line's crazy. Yeah, let a few more of the guys join, then we'll start breaking it down.
You want to go there or?
Yeah, just chilling, man. Chilling. Working. Perfecting my dives, yeah. Swimming in the pool, enjoying some sun. Making some videos. Anything but watching gold so far today, to be honest.
Yeah. Range?
Nah, it didn't, man. I had my car getting fixed again today. So I didn't get to go today. I wanted to. But it's all fixed now.
Oh, they have finally fixed it, have they?
Yeah, I finally fixed it, man. She's all back up. The Lamborghini's back in the drive.
The Lambo.
The Lambo's in the drive.
Sounds really nice on the videos, right? You know, like the YouTube videos you do. You can hear it in the background.
Yeah, it is nice, man. It is. It is. Let me just do this. Alright, what time is it? 5 minutes. We're going to get this hourly close and we'll start having a look at Goldie here. US session had that push down we were watching on the stream and then ended up finding support again at this major 4-hour level. And then retracing another almost 100 ticks back up. So I've been watching around this huge zone here. I'll break it down probably in a second, but this is a massive, massive 4-hour support. You kind of see, this is where gold's been bouncing off this level when we reached all-time highs. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, just bouncing off this level. So many times. And then again, New York yesterday, again. Bounced off it again. So you never know. I would be watching this low today on gold as well as a potential low to come and grab before seeing some potential upside or vice versa. These are kind of my liquidity levels here on gold today. Here, here, and down here. I think FOMC will fake move down before going up. I don't really know, to be honest, man. I don't really care that much, to be honest. Not that I don't care, but like I don't really mind. If it did, it very well could do this and then do this. Or it could do the complete opposite. It could do this and then do this. I pretty much just wait for it to either grab the lows and then go long, or grab the highs and then go short. I don't really think about what FOMC could really do. I don't really care what it could do, actually. I just, yeah, if we grab the lows before the news, or at the news grab the lows, amazing. I'll look for the buys, and yeah, vice versa. I like to stay pretty neutral with it, to be honest. I like to stay pretty open with it. I could just push down on pound. Morning. Oh, come on out. A few more of the guys are joining. Joe's joining. Mark. Alright, let's start recording. We'll start breaking it down here in a second. Do you have trade news? In progress. Yeah, I do trade news, man. Yeah, I do trade news. I just wait for it. Yeah, I just wait for like some levels, my liquidity levels to be hit. Then I pretty much just look for the breakouts out of that, man. Yeah, nice third touch there. So let's watch this pound news very briefly until we get this hourly close in like a minute here.
Go on then.
Hiya.
Hiya. I tried recording that video for you, but it were too hard.
Ah.
I'll try again tomorrow. People give me funny looks.
Yeah, try again tomorrow, man. I want to see you perfecting them skills.
Sorry?
What are you up to now?
Oh, I'll send it you when I've done it.
Okay.
It can't be discussed.
Nah.
Looking forward.
Show you what candlestick color I use. Yep. Let me just see here. I'm just gonna watch this news, this pound news here, just out of interest. See how this goes in like 30 seconds here on pound futures. Let me see if I can move it. But I just have just blue and white pretty much. I don't even think you can select that blue anymore. I think it's one that's gone now. But you can do any of these ones. Alright, 6 seconds. What do you think? I think pound might see a wick out the lows and see a pushback higher on pound. Let's have a look. Oh, look at that. Alright, buy stops on the breaking high. So how's that pound you just come out? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Huge. There you go. Wicked out all them lows, ripping higher there. Look at that.
Wow.
Oh. You going back down? Has ripped all of these lows here. And these lows here. Anyone who's any pound or any pound yen trades as well probably just got ripped there. Probably see it start to dip back down actually.
Down now, innit?
Not that I trade it anymore, but how did that just react to GJ? Let's have a look. Yeah, nice little wick down.
Ah, yeah.
Oh yeah. The ticker for pound. Just Google pound CME. It'll come up, man. If any futures instrument, just type in the instrument and then type in CME on Google. It'll tell you, man. You can just see it. You can see it up there as well. The actual. I'm not sure what the actual contract month ticker is, and I don't have it on my trader rate. I'm just looking here on the currency. All right, let's do a little bit of top down here on Goldie. Work with whatever we can. So take a look at this daily. Not much has really changed since yesterday, considering yesterday just closed pretty doji. Obviously, we already know we have all these highs for gold to come and grab. We've came down, we've liquidated the lows, we finally found that support. The daily has just kind of left like 2 equal lows here as well. So you may come and look to target these. These lows may be of interest on gold down here. And then overall, we are looking for... So these are the 4-hour lows we were watching to be grabbed yesterday. They've now been grabbed. You're bouncing again off this 2,150 level. It's been respected so many times. What's that? Like you had a, what? 100 tick bounce off that key level yesterday, spiking higher. These are my overall. So you got this trend line coming on down here. So I believe a lot of people will be trying to do something like this on gold right now. A lot of people try and short this trend line, stop loss just above this high here or this high here. And ideally, we today, probably into US session, want to be buying up into that. Now, it doesn't mean you can't take some sales down first before seeing that push up. Absolutely be neutral. But overall today, to see gold spike out a lot of these highs, now that we finally have news coming in, it may be the time. So get rid of the trend line, mark on the 2 points. Just watch these two for now. I wouldn't be holding up to there anyway. And that's what we could be looking at. 4 hours since Asia, since the close and Asia Open today have gone doji, and this one hasn't really closed. This one doesn't close till like another 2 hours, but past 8 hours on gold has been incredibly doji. Take a look at the hourly here. Hourly tried to break out there, no top wick, grabbed the high straight back below. So you can kind of see you're starting to create some resistance here and some support down there. And that's pretty much what you're working with right now. Take a look at this time frame here. This is what I've been watching on gold. I've been watching around, you know, like this 4 hour area. All of this is major support. Currently finding it as resistance though. You haven't closed, haven't really broken out of it just yet. You can kind of see the past 4 hour did actually wick the previous high and close bearish. So now it kind of looks like you may be coming up for a retest to potentially dip down a little bit lower. So if overall today I think gold's going to push higher, we may get that false move in London, take gold a little bit further down before later on seeing that push back higher. So what do we want to see if we can get some sells? Just have a look. I have to zoom in quite quite deep here. So these are the highs of the range. These are the lows of the range. We're kind of trading somewhat around the middle of it. There's that hourly that closed bullish. Grabbed previous hourly highs, closed back bearish. No real bottom wick. Finding some support here as well. So could you sell into a breakout? Possibly. But if I'm going to get some sells today on gold, I would need to see this high also grabbed. So you may see that high get grabbed, and you may look for these sells back down. That hourly double top there that we've just created looks pretty nice. You grab the hourly lows, never grab the hourly highs. You may... Could you trade it up into that buying level before shorts? 12 ticks? It's difficult. It's difficult. But let's see. On the 30, it doesn't look like it needs to be grabbed, but it does on the hourly. 30, that looks like a beautiful evening start to push down. Grabbing previous 30 highs there again. You're going to have a... What? Where was that? Where was the one you're looking at? Trend line like this. So I would imagine people are probably trapped right now in maybe something like that. Is what I imagine most retail traders will be trying to do. Try to buy off this trend line. It kind of breaks back above. They're probably still holding their long. Stop loss just below this low. So you may also now we get rid of the trend line, grab the second touch. You may also be looking to take gold back down into these levels as well. So if we do start getting back above this previous hourly high, taking gold back down to these areas could actually give you like a 30 tick trade, which could actually be pretty nice. Close nice and bearish here. You're trying to retest. Anyone who's probably short in here, either break even, stops just above that high, grab them, and then you could be looking for that push back down here on gold today. So there's a lot of interesting levels on gold today. A lot of interesting levels. Hey Tom, what's going on, man? I am keeping my expectations very low today. You know, given you got FOMC today, not until 6 o'clock London time, which is pretty late. What time is that my time? That's like fucking something ridiculous, like 3 AM or something stupid. Let me have a look. Where is it? Brisbane.
You wouldn't stay up.
You're absolutely right, I wouldn't. It's yeah, 4 AM. 4 AM my time. You can have that FOMC news. I may as well get up at 4 AM. That's crazy.
Early bird.
4 AM session. Added that pound. Look at that pound. Probably should have taken that. I don't trade pound futures enough, but that was a huge stop hunt. Anyone who's buying them pound futures straight back up, look at that. 6 AM tomorrow. Yeah, that's pretty good, Tony. Yeah, that's good, man. That's good. That's what I like about being in New Zealand, man. You can actually get up early at like 6 AM and still have like all of the New York PM session and like the close of day volume as well. You actually have it pretty good there, man. Yeah, look at that flip on gold. I mean, sorry, on pound. Ripped all the lows straight back up. Gonna come and target a lot of this downward trend line here as well. Probably come and target some of these highs here. I'm in on my 4x GBP USD. Yeah, nice. Good work, man. Yeah, pound futures here. It's just GBP USD. Anyone who's trading trading 4x. The 4x crew is just pound USD. Same as all of the currencies. Let's have a look at Euro. Wait till my order and went off. Yeah, amazing. Euro is very similar to gold. So the yen ripped lower off that news yesterday. Wicked out a lot of highs. Closed bearish, retested. Continuing to sell off there as well. Aya mark. Came to fill. Oh, look at that gap. Came in, gapped up, wigged the highs, filled in the entire thing. Look at that. That's the yen futures there. Crazy. I've never really well, I say never really. I have never traded any of the currency futures on my Top Step account, so I don't actually know what the contract sizing is like. I'm not going to start trading it for no reason, but look at AUD rip up. Australian dollars, yeah, pushing up nicely. What, you kind of bouncing around like there? Pushing up, yeah. Clean chart, man, clean chart. Pretty sure it's $5 a lot. Nice, okay. That's good to know, man. I hope so, but go on, you wouldn't be the first one. But yeah, so I'm pretty much going to see here with gold. If we can get this, amazing. That'll be our short today. I've been watching these highs since yesterday. This double top that still hasn't been grabbed is also crazy. We're going to see this grab today for sure. Whether you get it in London or into FOMC, we'll see. We'll see. Let's have a look at, let me have a look at top step here. Top step X.
It'd be annoying if we've been waiting so long to jump on like this long train to take these highs out.
Yeah, man.
For news to come and it'll just be one massive 1 minute wick.
It probably will be, yeah.
That'd be cruel.
I lost the trade yesterday, hoping for them equal highs on gold. Yeah, same as me, man. Same as me. I took longs yesterday in Asia, which I just recapped today. Actually, I'll make it into a YouTube video. I took buys up into that as well, man. Yep, me too. How many trades did I have yesterday? Let me see. Let me see. Where's my drive? I think I had like 2 trades yesterday. Yeah, I had 2 trades yesterday, 2 losses. I had that loss in Asia, and then a -2 tick loss in London as well. It was a -15 ticks yesterday. I had quite a lot of losses this month. Very small, but still quite a lot of annoying losses compared to what we've seen in other months. March for me hasn't been the start of March was good, but past like week for me here on gold has not been amazing, to be honest. It's not been bad, but it hasn't been amazing. Start of the month, was amazing, but past week just bouncing in these levels with these daily highs not being grabbed, this has just been so crazy.
Aaron,
I
know you don't trade FX, but USD CAD looking good for sure.
Oh.
I know you're gonna put it up. You are.
I used to hate this pair. Oh yeah, buys on that. You wouldn't.
No, sells after it. Take that and then go down. Yes.
Come on.
He's got it.
You buying up into it?
Potentially.
Yeah. Probably come and grab some of that, maybe. Is your risk the same no matter the size of the top? No, it's within like 1 to 2%, but it's the same contract size each time. I don't stick to, my percent risk is always within like 1 to 2 to 3%, but actually needing to work out a lot size per each trade, I don't waste my time doing that. Nah. Oh, there you go. You're grabbing them 30 highs there. So these are the highs we needed to grab. If we can start to see this 15 start to close a bit doji or even bearish, this could be nice. So you just wicked out this little triple top here. Let me have a look at the 5 minute here. Gonna get this 15 close soon. Look at that, it's a lovely, lovely, lovely grab there. Look at that. Instant reaction off our level there. Might have to start sniping some of these. Look at that. Your break even, you already got 10 ticks just grabbing that high, that's crazy. Let me just get this up here. You can, when you first start out, it's good to work out what it is to risk 1% each time. But as you progress, it wastes too much time for me. I know what my risk is. My stop loss is between like 20 to 15 to 10 ticks, and I already know what dollar risk that is going to be like per contract that I take. So you should be able to work out with like very little thought process. It shouldn't take much thought process to work out what it is. When I used to trade FX, it's different when you trade different things because you need to work out what it is. But if you trade the same thing all the time, it's always the same. But I used to go use like different third-party apps to like work out 1% risk each time, and you just end up just fucking wasting too much time. But for me here, scalping gold, I trade the same thing, the same size, same risk management every single day.
Time that app tells you that you have to put in 0.56.
Yeah.
The trade already went. I remember those days.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That's the pistol.
Get risk managers on EA's on MT5. Yeah, I don't use MT5, man. But yeah, you can. I used to use some on MT4. I can't remember. I used to have a really good one actually. One of my friends did it with me. I used to have a really good one. I prefer trading the same contract size. If I was trading FX, I would still trade just gold. Like when I passed that FTMO last month, I would still trade just gold, still using 2.5 lots each time. 100k account done. Let's see. Five just wicked the highs. Closed bullish doji, not bearish doji. Actually closed a bullish doji. This 5 still pushing back up. What would you be looking at? This current 5. Oh, this is the open of the 15 as well. Let's see how that 15 close. Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. I don't want to get caught in a range, but if you can re-break this low in this current 5. Maybe not in the current 5 because it's the first top wick of the 15. What are you risking? 10. You're going for like a minimum of a 2.5. I haven't put anything just yet. You're getting quite close to it now. You start to come that close to it and tease around it again, you're probably likely going to grab it again. What would your lot size be? 50k. Well, when I pass the top step one, 2 contracts. 2 contracts, man. That's it. No more. That's just me personally. It all depends on how you can manage your risk. But for me personally, when I did pass the top step last month as well, or this month, yeah, just 2 contracts, man. 2 contracts. 10 lots, no matter the start. Yeah. All day, every day. 100 tick stop loss, 10 tick stop loss. Full margin. Not financial advice. Yeah, you're coming close to that 5 high. I think you're going to re-grab it. You had an instant reaction off it. Let's move this out of the way. You're gonna re-grab the highs now. You had a nice rejection. You can't just take it off one rejection. If you do snipe it from here, you got to be break even straight away because you can always re-grab the highs before the push down. Like here, you kind of reject once, retest it, push down, and then re-grab all of these highs, and then you have to push down. So you had like 1, 2, 3, 15-minute equal highs there. Buys up into that today probably would have been pretty nice actually. Don't know if it was that clean to get an entry, but to at least come back up and re-grab them highs here was a given. You kind of had that 1, 2, third drive, nice push down. You need to re-grab it now for me. You're coming that close to it, you need to re-grab it. I'm not going to sell here. Let's have a quick look at Top Step X, see what people are up to. 46% people long, 54% short. Average long price, 2160. Average short price, also 2160. Well, exactly the same place, 2160.74. it doesn't really, man. Doesn't. Not when you. I just think that's why I track all the tick amount, because you can kind of relate it to whichever, you know, whichever contract size you trade. Like I'm, you know, this month up like 102, with only a 54% win rate so far this month. We'll see what the rest of the month brings. That's quite low for me. That's still fucking great, but yeah, still 102. What do you think about NQ? We will have a look, man. We'll have a look. I'm just going to see how this 5 to the close here on gold. And then we can take a little look. Once you got funded, did you ever struggle to retain accounts? Yeah, 100%, man. I've been funded and blown funded accounts loads of times. I'd be very surprised if you get funded and keep the account and get a payout on your first chance. I'd be very, very surprised. I'm on the 15. I was wondering why this is looking different. That's annoying that you just kind of left that double top there. If you'd re-grab these highs, I'd be looking for these sells right now, but you just kind of left equal highs. Yeah, there's a high chance that you will, like once you get funded, you will lose the account. Yeah, if you think you're going to get your first funded account, and that's going to be enough to quit the job, it's very, very difficult. More so for a psychological reason. I think gold's going to rip a lot of these lows. Look at all these equal lows here. These 4 here look very interesting on gold. Yeah, excitement, pressure, so many things, man. I got the futures now. Let's have a look. Nasdaq. What's Nasdaq been up to? What's gold? Goldie's still pushing us, right? We're out for now. Nasdaq on the daily. Let's have a look. Daily. Fucking no idea where that's going on the daily. Weekly looks like it could start to flip bearish. Maybe grab previous weekly highs if you really need to. 4 hour. It's fucking horrible, to be honest. I'm glad I don't trade Nasdaq right now. Your kind of area like this, you may come and look to let's have a quick look. I was going to say, if the ES has grabbed these lows, then Nasdaq might not. Yeah, it has. Yeah, so cool. So what I was saying what I was thinking is, Nasdaq kind of has 2 equal lows there. But then if you go look at ES grabbed the lows and then pushed up, so Nasdaq doesn't necessarily need to target them. Gold still pushing higher. But Nasdaq, I honestly don't really have any analysis. I really don't like the look of Nasdaq right now. You're going to be bouncing around this trend line, so I would expect you're going to manipulate a little bit higher. You may look to come and target some of these highs, kind of wick a lot of these out for a potential retracement. But it's very, very, very messy. It's more messier than gold right now. So I wouldn't like to give you a direction. You can take a trade off my direction, because it's honestly, it's very, very difficult right here. If I had to give a say, I think you'll spike out these highs a little bit more here on this hourly. Come and grab some of these highs. Thoughts on Bitcoin? Yeah, what's Bitcoin been up to actually? It's still pushing down. Look at that. That's beautiful. Back below 65 again. Look at that. That's amazing. I didn't expect to see that. That's beautiful. Look at that. Break above 70. Break back below 70. Retest 70. Made 10% on the way down. That's pretty nice. How many people do you think bought above 70,000 and are now instantly minus 12%? Freaking out. Again. Let's have a quick look at the Fear and Greed Index. Let's have a look. Fear and Greed. Greed's still pretty high. When's this? Yeah, Greed's still pretty high in crypto. So yeah, I think you'll see it. I mean, if I was going to buy Bitcoin, I'd be buying Bitcoin back down at like 55,000 maybe. 60,000 is not a bad level as well, you know, to play it back up into 65, maybe 70 again. But ideally, I'd be waiting for it to come back down to like 55. And I'd play little retracements. If it was... Did gold just re-grab them highs in the currency? Because it didn't on the futures. No, triple top. They need to be grabbed now. Let me see here. 3 equal highs there that need to be grabbed. 3 equal highs and 3 equal lows. Look at that. So these highs need to be grabbed again. Best time to trade GC in your opinion in terms of volume? Well, that's the thing, to be honest, man. Like, gold prepared my resignation letter. I said that once, so I get my 6th payout. Amazing. Yeah, best time to trade gold is honestly like, man, every session it typically moves well. I kind of see you had this nice little sell-off here today on gold. Once you grab these highs, you're probably looking for some sells maybe around here. This was a lovely push down. You know, this was what? I wouldn't say it was a lovely push, but it was a, 23 tick push in Asia. You had market open push up as well. Not that I'm saying you would have been able to catch it, but just in terms of volume. Honestly, every session moves so well on gold. And when you're trading futures on gold, you're only really going for like 20 ticks 2 to 3 times a week. That's it. And you measure 20, these ranges are small actually. You measure 20 ticks. This looks huge. These ranges are tiny. You measure 20 ticks on gold in normal times. This is kind of in an overall range. Look, if we go on, like, it's going to 30. That just proves how small these ranges are. You catch 20 ticks 2 to 3 times a week on gold, and you're making good returns. So honestly, any session can be good for gold. Caught 13 ticks in that sell in Asia. Amazing. Amazing. Percent actually moves. The actual percent move of gold will be very small. But if you're trading like say 20 ticks, which is what, that? There. 1 contract, $200. 2 contracts, $400. You trade 10 contracts like a crazy mofo, $2,000. When you're a swing trader last time, did you use Fibonacci as a confluence? Yeah, I use Fibonacci on all my trades, man. Yeah, I used to use it on all of my swing trades. I still kind of look at it sometimes now as well. Yeah, I'd always look at fibs, man. You go like this. I always look at stuff like this. Yeah, every single trader would. Yeah. Finished the book, Millionaire Success Habits. I don't think I've ever read that one. Let me have a look. Let me see. I haven't read a book in a while, to be honest. I kind of given up on reading, to be honest. I prefer podcasts. Yeah, Success Habits. No, I haven't seen that one. Dean. I've heard. Oh yeah, I've heard of this. I've heard of him. But yeah, no, I don't remember the last time I read a book.
I'm struggling to read. I was doing so well, but I'm struggling.
Yeah.
To open the book.
I've just come to terms that I just don't enjoy reading, man. I just would prefer to watch something visual, so I just don't even bother.
Like try and find an audio book or that book. And I actually enjoy it, but just getting them to read.
Yeah. Can't read anymore either. Yeah, I don't even like reading in school, to be honest. I absolutely hated reading in school. I've read a few books, but
I do find so much value out of the books I have read, so I do want to keep them going, but
yeah.
it is the trouble.
Yeah, plus you get to a point where it's like you read some of your books, it's like, well, when do you actually sit down and put what they say into practice? That's also my other thing. It's like so many people just read books just for the sake of reading books. It's like, well, what are you actually doing to take away from what you're reading in the book?
Yeah.
Not. I don't mean you personally. I just mean like that's what a lot of people do.
Yeah. No. I understand. Makes sense. The books I have read definitely helped me with trading.
Yeah. Which is good, man. Yeah. To that, yeah. I the only trading books I do love is trading psychology books. They're the only books that I actually fucking love.
Yeah. They really didn't resonate so much with them.
Yeah, 100%, man. The mental game of trading. Now I've heard of it, but let me see. I don't know. I feel like I have it, but I haven't read it. Let me see. Nah, I haven't. I've heard of that. Wait, am I talking shit? Do I have it? Nah, I actually don't have that one. The mental game of trading. Nah, I actually don't. I feel like I've heard of that one as well. That could be one I might look into next. See, if it's a trading psychology book, then I'm interested. But no, I haven't read that. I've heard of it though. Oh, look at Goldie on the rip. Look for longs. If it's grabbed some liquidity to the downside, yeah, definitely. Doesn't really look like it though. I mean, I did grab these lows, but just ranging. Just from one little tiny range to another little. I mean, if you break above like this level, depends what your target is really. Your resistance right there. So if you break above there, you know you can consider it, but where's your buy is going to be? 10 ticks away. Very worth it. You're going to have what? You got resistance there. What the hell is that? What the fuck have I just done? What the hell was that? Yeah, you got resistance there, then you got resistance there, then you got resistance there. So it's like any time you get a trade, you can go straight into a level where it's going to instantly go against you. Unless, you know, if you do break above here, like if I can see a reason for it to need to come and grab this high, then I would consider it, but I don't really see a need to come and grab that high. It's pretty just bearish doji, bullish. 3 stages of foundation. It's nice. Yeah, I might have a look at that, man. Yeah, thank you, man. I'll have a look. Breach Tab Porter. Yeah, I have read that one. It's one of the rare fews that I have read. Yeah, liquidity grabs and high time frame and then intraday. Yep. There's not too much for you to say on the 4 hour right now. 4 hours is kind of doji for the past like 8 hours. You have just grabbed previous 4 hour lows. So, you know, if you do start breaking above that, that's going to be the cleanest buy you're going to have. Because if this is a true liquidity grab to push down, you wouldn't need to re-break it. But if you do re-break this high here, then you're going to have a much nicer drive up. So maybe once you clear that high, then I would be interested. Hitting that trend, yeah, and that's the thing. Yeah, it's hitting the trend line as well. What, like this one? Where is it? That hit. Where am I? May I ask, where are you from, sir? From the UK. Yeah, nice, yeah. Yeah, this one here, this is the one I was trying to buy up into yesterday. I'm trying to take buys up into this double top yesterday. I can get closed it like around like here maybe. Push down and still hasn't grabbed it. I think, you know, again, there's so many reasons to come and grab these highs. Like people who try and trade breaks and retest it also doesn't work. They'll try and take the break of this, put their stop loss just above here. Looking for this big play down as well. There's a high chance you'll also see it come up into here. People see, oh look, support, we've broken the support, retested, and they'll try and take shorts here, stop loss just above the previous high. And that's why you may see it spike higher. Which I'm not against. It's just the ranges are just so small. You fully closed above that previous high. Where would you be watching? Look at to the left. Look at this. Look how untrustworthy these 15-minute closes are. So, yeah, disgusting, man. Disgusting.
That's how I talk in Thailand. You guys don't understand me.
You know, I'm not one to say it's how, you know, disgusting, but sometimes.
I've drunk a mask on the phone last night.
Nice.
Oh, was he drunk then? So he weren't drunk there last night, but he drank when I was.
Oh.
You mix in with these Welsh lads. Don't crack Crymic.
He's going list.
He doesn't even remember. Look at him. Look at him.
Oh, yeah,
That's
do
a
us a
blank
favour.
face. Yeah.
Will you say that long train name for me? Is it a train station?
By, it's a village.
Oh, go on, what is it? Go on.
Can buy Gwyngaeth, Gwyngerich, Sicilius, Cesaric, something else. Go.
That's fucking crazy.
Yeah, it's very unnecessary.
Yeah, you tell him, Joe.
16, yeah. Like, America's got the longest, then it's New Zealand, and then it's Wales.
Flat player bullish about that.
What?
Oh yeah.
I reckon you got some growing up to do.
Oh yeah, a lot of it. Get it quickly. Can't see your face, Aaron.
No, I know, man. I need to buy a second camera on this PC because I only have one, and YouTube's using it over you, unfortunately.
I see the priority here.
I wouldn't rush through this. I kind of
Yeah, same.
I need to get more camera angles.
Can YouTube hear us?
Probably quietly, yeah.
Alright, yeah. Good.
Yeah.
I don't like saying the wrong thing at the right time, you know what I mean? You know,
I
sometimes
actually like that. That's a good city. I like that one. I like to use that.
well,
What you just said.
I can't remember what I'm looking at for breakfast, bro.
12 eggs. In the corn.
Well, you see that? Movement in that bicep.
Fucking hell.
That's impressive.
It is.
So I hope to be the goblin. You're not providing a lot of value here.
No, yeah. I think we should go in the waiting room for a little bit.
Alright, chill out. I'm a morale booster.
I'm not going to say, how do I say it? What's empires?
I'm not going to say actually the first drive, but if this drive is the highest 3 times. Can't even do it properly.
Look at this Goldie.
It sounds really good now. Actually.
Yeah, I reckon it's it.
Okay.
Oh, look at that.
Really.
Pound almost straight back down there as well. Look at that pound.
The empires have been on fire, like EJ and GJ has been absolutely awful.
Yeah, I've seen that. Crazy. Oil been on a solid run as well. Solid run. Got the lows. Yeah, look at that. Look at oil. Once oil breaks out, it's so clean. Once it breaks out, it takes it like fucking almost 2 weeks to break out. Then once it does break out, consolidation, break out, boom. It'll be very, very interesting to see if this hourly closes above this level here. You know, we had to at least grab this hourly little double top. So it'll be interesting if we actually close out here and start pushing higher. Thing is, there's no like hourly double tops because you had your high to come and grab. You had that false rejection and need to come and grab that. So you kind of grab them highs and push down. Can't see the screen. Oh, sorry. Apologies. Yeah, just saying here. Yeah, GJ, closure back above here or not will be interesting. Yeah, even I think even New York yesterday was very choppy. Oh, you guys got the cells in New York yesterday, didn't you? Motherfuckers took the cells without me. Where did you guys get?
Pretty much. We're on as soon as we jumped on.
Was it this one, this little dip down here?
It was the break of the 30 lows after the roof came up.
Break of the 30 lows.
Rampage.
What day is it? Oh, this one?
It looks like a doji. Yeah, no, 115 for me, please.
15. This one? Oh, this one.
Yeah, I got the break of this targeted down here.
Oh, yeah, nice. Yeah, that was pretty nice, yeah.
There's,
Yeah, nice.
I was a bit, I didn't say too much about it, because I was like, after this, I was like, is it going to continue? So I was like, well, I'm willing to risk it on my own personal, like,
Yeah, tap back into there.
if I said anything lost, you know, simply got it for the guys, so that's why I didn't really mention too much about it.
No, it's nice, yeah, nice drive.
It took, was it 10, 9, 10 clicks?
Nice.
Then took me up and then ripped down there. That was fantastic. But I did think we were going to go more with even after we got them as well.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just huge. Huge. Have you got a stock portfolio? Nah, I don't, man. I have nothing in stocks personally, man. Maybe someday I will. But I don't at the minute, no.
Your stock portfolio is just your V12, that's the predicted Audi R8, that's the value, and the Bugattis.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Marcus, like what?
If this 15 can fake out of this level, then I prefer sells. So if we can break back below here, I'll look for some sells here on gold. Close back below here. The reason we're watching this low is because you do have this. Where do we have it? It's not that interesting anymore. This little third touch here. But over 200k and is getting paid 1.5 a month. Yeah, nice. That's good. Very good. Yeah, I don't really have 200,000 to put into like stocks to actually make it worthwhile. Like if I was doing anything in stocks, I'd be aiming for like 15 to 20% return a year max. So to put in anything worth my while, just wouldn't really be worth it. Unless it was something I was going to do for like, you know, like a 30-year thing, like compound, absolutely. Nah, never heard of him, man. Some scammer by the sounds of it. Never heard of him. That's so funny. The phone looks like a clown as well. Yeah, it looks like a right clown. Oh, this 15. If this 15, this 5 minutes looking really nice here. If I just kind of close bullish, rigged out at the highest, closing bearish, this 15 can give us an instant top wick next. You could have some nice sells here on gold. This ain't looking too bad here. And you probably risk off the current 15 high. Look at that 30. 30 would have to fake out as well. Hourly, wicking back down. Yeah, nice close back below here. Top wick, and you may have some sells here on gold. Back to the original thought process. Yeah. 5 pushing down pretty heavy here. Anyone who tried to take that breakout instantly getting stopped out there on gold. poor against other ventures. Yeah, it's true, man. 17 seconds here. Let's see. Let's see. Five minute. You gonna top wick? Not top wick. Instant top wick. What do you have here? Risking off previous 5 highs. Don't think you're gonna get it in time. I think the ranges are so small that it's like actually pretty. And you are looking to tie back down here, but
Oh, these also the horizons projecting pretty heavy.
yeah, little dull top.
Range a little bit choppy.
Yeah, very man, very. I was thinking TP is like here. This is a major hourly support. What's that? 12 ticks. I was too busy drawing it up. Oh, if he did get it in time, if I can go break even there. I was too busy drawing it up instead of just actually taking it. Something I need to stop doing.
I wanted to pull up a bit more, to be honest. Maybe I was a bit too fussy there.
Where did you tap into? Like here. Yeah, I should have just taken that. I was too busy. Too busy drawing that up instead of just actually executing it there. Fuck's sake. Gave the instant top wick, sells in the break of the low, and it's instantly pushing down. You would be break even because you're coming to grab all of these little 5-minute lows that need to be grabbed. You're targeting like down here at least. What would your risk have been on that? Where's the stops would have been? Yeah, stops would have been about, yeah, risking about 10. But as soon as it now drives, you're already in profit. Where's your 10? 10's there. Let's see, 15, 30, bullish, bearish. You got to be managing quite aggressive because these ranges are very, very tight. These ranges are very small, and it is a range. So if this comes back up, if anyone did get this, be sure to be at break even. You hit like around like 9-10 ticks. You're rejecting off this support grab and these lows here. These were the lows that were of interest to me. All of these equal lows. As soon as you start grabbing them, these, risk off the table.
Does anyone know what, when you're on the stream, that's like it. I don't like saying other people's names in it. I do, because he was in a lot of DD yesterday. Did anyone see if he got into it?
And he would have. I think it stopped like. I think it was like all the way down there. He would have held it. He probably got out of it pretty well. I think he was in it from like maybe like, where is it? Maybe like here or something.
I'm sure 21.58 or something like that he got in, if I can remember.
Yeah, so it would have been, Hansel would have been down here. He would have actually got out of it pretty well.
Okay.
To hold, and there's no. You think we would grab those hourly highs? These ones? You mean them ones? Yeah, at some point. Doesn't mean you can't take advantage of any downsides coming as well, though. You know, you could easily do like this before doing that. But yeah, these highs overall, yeah, definitely, yeah, at some point today. I had that 5. I had that 5 just close. Not very bad. It's pretty nice and bearish, actually. Couldn't take stress. Nah, me neither, man. Me neither. I think it'd be very hard to scale up trading when you're trading like that. Very, very hard. You gonna come and grab them previous 5? Maybe. Don't like it as much. You may grab this little 5-minute high. Might be pushing back up there. So even if we did take them shorts, I mean, still should have taken it. It's still part of the plan. Doesn't matter if those come back to break even. You would have hit around 9 ticks, and then would have just got stopped there at break even. So. Just getting 20k for 2.3. Yeah, more than that. Yeah, sometimes. Got stopped at break even. Yeah, good play, Matt. At least you got it, man. Good job on actually catching it, man. It wasn't worth taking anything off the table, I don't think. At 9 ticks, it's not worth it. $15. Look at this. Look at this on gold, man.
Actually, it was £4.72 I got out of it.
Nice, nice.
Yeah.
Good man.
So, fiver, nearly a fiver.
Good man.
Make the rest of the week off.
And a pint of it.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Oh God. I was gonna look for some. I was gonna look for some sells above here in this little level, but I'm not anymore. That 15 is just looking just terrible. Look how bad that 15 is looking.
I literally mapped out that range on the 30 to break it.
Yeah, you literally should just have it like here. But like until you break above here, just fucking don't even do anything. All right, let me grab a drink here, guys. 2 seconds. Oh, look at that 5. Look at that 5 straight back up there on gold. Grabbed all of them lows, straight back up. Grabbed all of them. Boom. What a push. What's Top Step X saying? Let's have a look here. Still 49% people long, 51% people short. Very 50-50 there still. Very 50-50. What do you think about supply and demand strategy? Nothing, man. I don't think about it. Don't care, personally. Supply and demand, support and resistance. What's the difference? I don't care about other strategies, personally. I've tried everything. All the same. It's all the same shit. It's just different names. What I look at as the level of support, someone will go, "Oh, that's supply and demand." It's like, yeah, same crap. Just doesn't do anything different. Let's see, so 5 minutes just closed back above this resistance here. You may see us push a little bit higher here on gold. You're gonna get the hourly close in like 5 minutes, so you may as well just wait for it. Look at this hourly. Is the hourly gonna close above, or is this hourly actually gonna close with a huge wick? I don't know. This hourly close is gonna be very important. Very, very important. See, 30. Huge bullish push up. Grab previous highs, straight back down. But also straight back up. This is the type of price action you expect for FMC, so don't overthink it too much. Just take it for what it is. Safest thing to do is watch this. And watch this. And that's it. 3 minutes. They're going to get London Open here in 3 minutes.
Is definitely the game today, eh?
Yeah, not much chart time today, man, I think. Sat smart and chill. This is, this week's going to be, today's going to be the side of the whole week, I think, really.
You jumping on US?
Nah, probably not, man. I mean, I'll briefly watch it in the background. Yeah, I always have an eye on it. Who am I kidding? Yeah, I'll probably watch some 30s. If we start to get some volume, which you may still get because the news isn't until like 6 p.m. London time, so New York still may give some volume.
Yeah.
Same with London. That's what's kind of hoping.
Sort of back. Reporting here.
I'm the same.
We need more on that for something like this.
I thought London would be better, to be fair, because of the fact you just said the news is at 6 p.m. London, so
Yeah.
I thought there would have been something. A little something.
Do you have a YouTube video on where you place your stops? Nah, I don't, man. Nah. Every trade's different, so, but it's all based off the liquidity grabs, man. Stops are always above or below liquidity grabs. It's 5 looking like it may start to push a bit higher. What's Top Step X saying? 48 long, 52 short, so more people are still short right now, which is quite surprising. Looking at this 30. The 5's going to need to at least re-grab these highs as well. Hourly. 40 seconds here on this hourly on gold. Let's see how we open here. 37 seconds. Let's see how we open here on gold. Hey guys, hey Chris, what's going on, man?
This is head and shoulders.
Yeah, it is, man. Yeah, definitely. It's an interesting one, but it definitely is. Yeah.
Yeah.
Question, please. Do it with your live account, not simulated. Price action is different to futures chart. That's throwing me off. Should still be the same, simulated or not. It still should be the exact same. So that's pretty strange. Hourly. Hourly's just closed bullish above the level, leaving a pretty big wick here. 5 minute. Never re-grab these highs here. So now these are going to become your liquidity target if we do grab these lows. Here and here. Little 5 minute levels. Do you buy / sell and market for your entries? I'm not too sure what you mean, man. Do you mean like do I like market execute, or do you mean do I do orders? Thought too weird. Yeah, very strange, man. I have never really. I don't know. It should be the exact same, simulated or not. It should be the exact same, man. Which is very odd. Very odd. It should be identical, man. Oh, it's lagging. It's sitting behind. Who's that with? Tick for trader. It doesn't show London open. Yeah, that's pretty crazy, man. I'll definitely contact them about that. Pretty starving for oxygen. Yeah, not ideal. Yeah, nah, not ideal, man. Yeah, that's crazy. Trading CT6. Yeah, maybe you can take advantage of that. Start trading the 1 second chart. Get a little head start. So you're just wicking out these lows here on gold. This was the little scalp down we wanted, but broke above the highs. Never re-grabbed highs, pushed down. So you're going to still re-grab these highs at some point here. Let me go back to the 15. 15 closed. Doji re-breaking the lows. I don't suppose anyone took them sells, did they? I don't think anyone got the sells. I certainly didn't. I did not. Nope, no, me neither, man, me neither. Just kind of bouncing here. Back above. Man, gold does respect VWAP quite a lot here in the futures chart. I actually respect it quite a lot. Oh, look at that fucking push. Fucking uncle. Look at that. Yeah, I know, it's fucking crazy. There's the push down we wanted. Just a couple of minutes too late. Wait, data's not included. Yeah, the funding firm doesn't include data. That's pretty crazy, man. I don't know how much it is. I think it's much to buy, but yeah, that's quite surprising. XRP should have took longer. Yeah. Yeah. Well, this is the push down I wanted. I wanted these sells from like this 5. I wanted this 5 to actually reject, not close above, or at least this high. You know, re-grab the highs and then see the push down. The fact that you haven't, you are still going to push up and grab these highs at some point. Yeah, there's that downside bet to these lows here.
There we go.
Yeah. Great.
I'm back from the bathroom. This got to get a thousand does. Jeez. I think I'm down a bit over though.
Visual level here. This is going to be the make. This is going to be the make or break support. If you break this, then you have a lot of downside.
I'd rather it breaking it to be fair. I don't want to go back in that range when I went to 6, when I went to 9.
Push down with any belly, any top wick. Yeah, not really, man. Yeah, not really. Normal times, if it wasn't FOMC, you'd be grabbing these highs before that push down. But don't see that push down and be like, shit, what did I do wrong? It didn't follow the rules, but it's just FOMC date. Like if you ever see a time on gold, we have 3 5-minute equals highs, never short that, because you always get something like this. We'll stop hunt and then push. So don't worry about it too much. Would have been nice to catch it. Also, it doesn't matter. Let's have a look. What did pound end up doing? Oh, look at that, pound ended up breaking back below. Look at that. Respected that trend line for the 4th time. It'd be interesting to see if actually pound US dollar did grab them highs. No, it didn't. No, surprising. Surprising. Didn't even get grabbed on the futures. 5 minutes still pushing lower on Goldie. Same as yesterday. I don't know how long we'll watch this for today. You got FOMC later. It's had that very little minor push without grabbing any highs. Oh yeah, I'd love to see it actually break out and this be true volume, but drawing any downside target is so difficult right now. You got support here. You got support here. You got support there. Support there. Like it's crazy. Crazy. So I took some nice sells yesterday. Nice Harry. Good man. Prop firm I'm trading with. It's pinned to the top step. You can see it in the top step partner in the corner. Was about 1:30 London time. Nice Harry, let me see. We got this push down. Yeah, nice man, nice. Lovely push, man. Lovely push.
You know, some people have got like the time stamp in the background, like
Yeah.
you should get and trading gold on top step.
I see it now, I'm tripping. That's all good, man, all good. play some gold, just pushing. Are you net negative or positive with prop firms? Of other people you know, are they net positive or net or negative? Well, I mean, I know loads of people that trade prop firms, but I'm not going to go around asking every single one of them if they're positive or not. I personally am, yeah, definitely. I failed loads of prop firms though. But overall, yeah, absolutely. Otherwise I wouldn't be trading them. But of people I know, no idea, no desire either. These last 5 of the 15 here. Ideally, this 15 actually closes this bearish, because now we're gonna have these targets to come and grab, which is good. The more you start rejecting here without grabbing these lows, that's going to be where we're looking to target. 10. Very hard to, yeah, very hard to, man. Yeah, very hard to. You've got to be patient with the challenge as well. They don't, like when I started, I was just taking challenges before I was even profitable, thinking that prop firms were gonna save me. But it's like, if you can't make money on a $500 account, trading a prop firm isn't going to make any difference. I wasted so much money in the beginning. Wasted money on prop firms before I was even profitable. Doesn't make any sense. But if you do get you got consistency, then prop firms are amazing. But if you're not yet consistent on a small account trading, like I say, more money is. Most people think they need more capital, that's why they're not good at trading, but it's like, that's absolutely not the case. You need more consistently. You need more consistency, you need a good plan.
Consistency.
Should we break the lows, Goldie?
More money just means bigger losses.
Yeah, more money doesn't mean more consistent profits, that's for sure. Goldie pushing down here.
Bigger wins, obviously, but
32% long, 68% short now. Oh, there you go, there's all those grabbed. Man, this is so fucking painful, man. What a rip. That's so crazy. Pretty much same as yesterday. That's the London push. I don't know what you can do with that now. If you didn't grab them lows, you know, you could have shorted into that, but you've now just grabbed the lows. At least there was not the Mexican peso. Well, yeah, it's very true, man. Very true. I'm just not feeling these markets. The market gold at the minute is just fucking shit to me, to be honest. Until we get FOMC out of the way, I'm really not feeling this. Like, we zoom out for a second. You know, we've been watching the 5 minute look like it's ripping, so we're literally not doing anything. We're just going sideways. If you tried to take a breakout every time you're going sideways, you would have got manipulated from all of the Asian session as well. It's like, this is what we're working with. By the time this hourly closes, also wouldn't surprise me if you just close back in this range. Kmart cups? Are they Kmart cups? They just came with the house? I don't know. They came with the house we live in. Cups, nice. What do you expect gold to do today? I've already gone through all the analysis, man. Already gone through it all. let's see, how's this 15 closing? 15's about to close pretty heavy. You know, if you instant top wick, you know, you may come down to re-grab some of the lows. I'm not sure where you're really going to target, but let's see. I'm not going to take a trade for the sake of it, just rip down that much. Taking a trade now is just fucking stupid. Just push down without grabbing any highs. 36 ticks. Good luck today. I'm off. Enjoy, Chris. See you, man. I'll probably do the same soon. You do have what you got a little level down there as well. But I'm not going to sell it here. It needs to pull up. Nice short on oil. Let's see, man. Let's see. Yeah, nice push. Grab the highs. Close bearish. Much cleaner push than gold, that's for sure. Much cleaner push. Nasdaq not really doing anything either.
I'm going to jump off.
Yeah.
We'll,
Good man.
might see if the US gold is not doing all that, setting alerts and catch you later.
Sweet man. Enjoy.
See you later.
See you, man.
Bye.
Heading off dinner. See you guys. Enjoy it. I probably will be soon as well, to be honest. London just had this little push down. It's probably just going to go do this now for quite some time. You know, you may come and grab these lows, but I'm not going to... You can't really sell it here. You sell it here, it could pull it back up into there before pushing lower. But that's the type of move you expect before something like FOMC. Just opens and just instantly pushes down. So this was the hourly open here. Tiniest little top wick, grab no highs. Like 40 tick push down. It's crazy. We want to be in trades like this. Boom, boom, and like this. Five minutes starting to push back up. 30. So if you take a look at this hourly, bearish, doji, bullish, wicking the highs within the first like 10 minutes, bearish. Honestly, it wouldn't surprise me if you see this close back above here and start pushing higher. It's 4 hours about to close in the hour as well. Four-hour support is going to be here. Yeah, that 4 hour level there that's going to be your key level to watch there. And you're playing with. Let's bring this down here. There's your 4 hour resistance. There's your 4 hour support. Hopefully once we get FOMC out the way, hopefully, you know, London's better Thursday and Friday. So far London this week has done absolutely nothing. It's been crazy. I'm hoping once we get FOMC out the way today, London will be having moves. Otherwise it's been all New York. What else do you have for the rest of the week?
And quick scalps as well. I'm not in New York, but it's legitimately in and out.
Yeah, 5 minutes, you got like 30 ticks, 20 ticks, yeah. So what you got tomorrow? Yeah, tomorrow you got unemployment claims as well. unemployment claims, flash PMI tomorrow, and then on Friday, Fed speaking again. You got that 15 closed bearish. Next 15's instantly just pushing all the way back up. What day is it today? Wednesday. What you don't want to see here on gold is what we're saying here. You don't want to see this 30 close back above here. If the 30 close back above here, you're just going to continue to go sideways. Nothing to really see good. Now, I wanted the sells down to come and grab all of these lows. There were so many lows to come and grab here. People would have been trying to buy. But for me, I needed to re-grab these highs before the sell. But yeah, I wanted short from like anywhere above this little 5 high. Just playing it down, back in, down into these levels. And then that was the last low we spoke about. But because you had 3 equal highs there, I didn't take the sells. Because you'd expect, if the hourly is going to have a true push down, the first move of the hourly, which is this, would have that top wick and then push down, but it opened, instantly pushed down. But yeah, the downside to come in was nice. That's the trade that I wanted, but it just didn't give an entry. You had this trend line. Where was that trend line? Was it? Where do we have it now? Here maybe? Like there? I can't remember now. But that was around the second touch of a trend line that we had as well. So people probably would have been trying to buy gold here. Stop loss just below that low. But yeah, to not grab any of these highs here before that push down, these will all come into play later on. We'll see this 30 close in like 8 minutes here. If it closes respecting the support, that will very likely be a meet up for the day. So ideally we close below it. And I can't even stay up to watch the news. It's still like some ridiculous time.
I don't know if the US will be. I'll go on or log on for an hour.
Yeah, it'll probably just play within these big ranges. It literally would. If you just traded 4-hour time frame this week, just buying the support levels and selling the resistance, you would have made bang. And anything in between is just a complete mess. Like 4-hour support yesterday, 90 ticks. 4-hour resistance, 50. It's like anything in between in there is just a complete waste of time.
That's nice, so 3 pin patterns, the higher.
Yeah.
Yeah. The only thing I've had in London, it's not really trustworthy, but that double top of that.
Yeah, that's the thing. That's why I don't. Well, you have these lows down here as well, but taking any sells, it's like, well, you got like you look at all of these wicks, all of these are all huge support.
Yeah.
9.5 hours, yeah, it's ages away. Yeah, I wouldn't be watching it, man. Let's see. 30's going to close in 6 minutes. If it closes back above this support, yeah, that's me out for the day. You're not going to get any trains. It's just going to go sideways. But what I will do is actually I'll set an alert above this previous hourly high. Because if it can re-break that, you should start to push. Or just go fucking sideways, but. Best place to learn about everything about trading. Not book. Depends what you mean, man. Depends what you mean. If you want like strategy, then just keep watching into these streams, man. I've had some great trades this month. But in terms of like psychology, like the best psychology knowledge in trading is off books. take the day off, see you all later. Yeah, good shout, John. Same as me, man. See you, man.
I think I'm gonna have to let you leave you. I've been on since
Cool.
5:05.
Sweet, man.
Nothing. All the notes, but nothing.
Yeah, nothing, man, nothing.
Right, have a good one, guys. And I send the link in for the US.
Cool. See you, man.
Alright, see you guys.
Bye.
Have a good one. Stay blessed. Bye.
I'm just waiting for this, I'm just waiting for this 30 close. I can't even take the 15 because there's no clear targets. You know, if this high was like a double top, we could play this little 15 fake out, but you kind of already grabbed previous high, pushed down, so this high isn't as of interest. It's more so these highs here. These are the highs here that I really want to buy gold into today, but I'm not going to take it in here just yet. I'll take it probably above here and then get your 30 ticks. I think that'll probably be the easiest. Look at that hourly. 1, 2, 3, 4 doji candles. What's that? Even if you take the break of this current day, what do you have? Yeah, 40. I think I'd wait for it to break out though. Right. Let's have a look at level 2 here. Nothing crazy coming through. How do I see this? Get this straight push back up. Straight push. Tried to break out that. You can see here, kind of tried to break out this range to the downside. Grab these lows here, instantly push them back up. Now, in normal times, you know, I'll be taking this fake out to play it back up, buys up into these highs here, but with the FOMC later, I'm not going to take it. But if I had to give direction today, it is to see gold grab these highs here. These highs look very interesting for me, but if I am going to take that, I'll probably take it from maybe here to here. I'll wait for it to close nice above this level, and then I'll take that little breakout there. Yep. Was possible the average person? Yeah. In a van. Oh, nice, nice man, nice, nice. Can't see the charts. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I think gold's going to rip all these highs here, but like I say, in normal times, I would be taking this 15 fake out right now. But with FOMC and the way that we're just in this range, I'm not going to touch it in this range. So my alert's going to be if we break this high here, I'll be looking for this to break this resistance and start to push. As you can see, we tried to break out, we liquidated these lows here, closing back into the range. But we're not here to trade off what I think though, that's the thing. Although I think this is going to push up, we're not going to trade off what I think. It has to actually break out and give volume. The only way these buys don't work is if it just continues to go sideways. So I will have to see that volume kick in. What time is it? Gonna get to 30 close here. Let's see if this 30 is gonna close in a second. 40 seconds. I already bought the van for the wifey. Awesome, man. That's amazing. Van life would be amazing, man. That'd be cool. We did that in New Zealand for like 2 weeks. Drove from like one side to the other. It was amazing, man. Amazing. Yes, and we got it's so easy to get so zoned in a 5 minute and just get so like glued to thinking gold's breaking out. But it's like you zoom out and look on this hourly. This is your resistance. This is your support. This is your range. Break above, go long. Break below, go short. Until then, do absolutely nothing. So yeah, on Zoom guys, I'll let you guys go. Alert will be here. But I'll update you guys before that. Once the alert goes off, I'll update you guys. But I won't be touching anything in here on gold until we break out. With FOMC later, you need to be safe. So nothing today, guys, on Zoom. Chopping. I don't think we should sit here and watch it and force a trade. So I'll talk to you guys in Discord. Enjoy Zoom, guys.
Okay.
See you, man.
Bye-bye.
See you guys. Bye. Alright, YouTube fam. Gonna leave it there. Gold's just ranging, unfortunately. I don't want to sit here and force a trade for the sake of it. It's FOMD. FOMD? Is that like a new one? FOMC day today. So there's no point forcing it. You guys on YouTube, I have a new video coming out in like about half an hour. A new video coming out. So you guys go watch that instead of forcing a trade on gold. And I'll see you guys same time again tomorrow. Trade safe. The news later. Don't force it. We'll be back again tomorrow. See you then. Peace.